Hey there guys, welcome to the First Time Homebuyer 5-Day Challenge. So here's the course outline, and this is what we're going to go through. So in this 5-day challenge, we're going to go through your minimum down payment that's required and alternative solutions where you may not need to put down any deposit. What type of home loan's best? Unlocking your borrowing capacity for home ownership and crafting a winning offer without overpaying on your property. And sometimes that can be really difficult in a seller's market. And then we're going to go through reducing the risk to yourself when purchasing property and the art of negotiation. And I'm going to show you a winning purchase strategy. So this is all about you taking action and putting yourself in the best position that you can to get a property for your price within your budget and for getting the right home loan that will help you be debt-free faster and not be tied to a prison sentence of debt for 30 years or longer. And I'm going to show you heaps of tricks and secrets and tips to combat the dirty tricks that real estate agents use and be wary of what banks and maybe mortgage brokers use. How to look out for a really good mortgage broker, a good loan that suits you and what you need. So hold on to your hats and looking forward to seeing you in the course. Okay, ciao for now. Oh, and also, if you haven't joined the First Time Homebuyer Facebook page, make sure you click on the link and become a part of that community so that you can help each other out. And I'll be there to answer questions that you might have to help you on your way to fast track your home loan journey.